Alright. Hey everybody, welcome back to Serene Madness. I'm doing an on the fly video today because it is, what's today's date? The what? The 9th, February 9th. And look at, I'm doing the old blizzard video because it's the following day. You look at, snow's all clean in my windows. It's my living room. And it's still coming down. It's been about a day, 24 hours. And yeah, it's still coming down out there, pretty heavy. So I'm gonna get some video of what it looks like outside, so bear with me. Alright, let's see what the family's doing. Okay. Mini Madness.
What?
Say hi to the YouTube world, Mini Madness.
Hello. Hello there. And welcome to Serene Madness today. We will be talking about the blizzard. Won't we?
And what do you got on your feet?
I got the dragons.
He's got dragon feet today.
And he's right here. He's wearing a tuxedo.
And
He's a tuxedo cat.
He's wearing a tuxedo? Tuxedo cat.
And there's another cat.
Sam.
Mimi.
That's my cat Sam. He's 20 years old. He's pretty friggin' old. And then let me show you somebody else. We have a second cat. And there's Mama Madness. Looking cute as ever. With her penguins. Let me see those penguins, Mama.
Show us the penguins.
Look at those things.
What about mine?
Let's see if I can find that other cat. Oh, she's not in her normal spot.
Not my room. And she's probably not in
She's
that.
got to be in your room. She can't be in my room.
She's not my room.
Alright, here's the people on the news.
We are going to watch them.
Oh, look at these poor bastards out in the middle of nowhere.
Right.
Where are they? They're in Revere right now.
Eat it.
Oh yeah, stick the people out in the snow and let them report. I like that. What are you going to ask them? Ask them something really stupid. Alright, I'm going to go. What do you want to ask?
You're done?
What do you want to ask?
Well, a stupid question would probably be like, why are you out here? And what's your job today in the snow?
What's your job today in the snow?
Yeah.
Hey, is there a cat down here near my feet?
Yeah.
Hey, up here, stupid. Oh, he's not stupid. He's just old. You gonna play with him? Oh, isn't that a pretty picture? Careful with him, he's old.
Oh no, he's a real old.
Hey, Sam.
Yeah.
Following the Sam cat. Look at, there he is. Sam. Sam, say hi to YouTube. Look up. Sammy. Over here, buddy. There you go. Focus. Focus in, buddy. Over here. Look. Look at. There you go. Say hi. Alright. Move on. Mama. You are so cute today.
Cuting. What about me?
That's Mama Madness. Say hi to YouTube, Mama Madness.
Hi. How are you?
Mama and Minnie. I want to try to get some video of the playground too. Alright. Yeah, you probably can't see the shit out of this thing, but here's the window. There's a tree. Oh yeah, great.
There's a tree. Oh yeah, great.
Alright, Minnie. Minnie Madness.
Yes.
My son.
What?
Here, take the camera and shoot it out the window.
Everybody, we're gonna look outside the window now. Alright, there's the playground if you guys can see it.
Hold the camera still as you can. Hold it up higher. put it closer to the window so you can see out there.
Oh, wrong way. Okay, can any of you see? You can see the playground. And there's this one's right there. There's the wall. And oh, look at that. There's this bicycle rack down there that's completely almost covered up.
Sweet, what else you got?
What else do we got here? Oh, that's perfect. Look at that. People of Serene Madness, look at that. Look at that. The playground right there is completely, well, I mean, almost covered up.
We are down in the front hallway of my building, and I'm gonna try to get some shots of the outside again. Look at this. The snow is actually coming inside the building and drifted up against the door. That's just insane. And it looks like absolutely no one's been in and out of that door since last night when I came down here to check it out. That door has not been opened. And look at that. Door blew open and got wedged by the snow, and the snow just drifted right up against it. Look at that. Look, the snow is just kind of blowing right in.
Wow.
Don't. Look at that.
Here's
There's the snow. It's actually inside our building. Look, it blew right in. It blew the windows, the doors right open, and wedged them.
Wow.
All right, here's the front of the building. There's the big tree out front. It's pretty far up. Wow, look at the snow drifts. There's my buddy Mike's car right there.
His car's
His windshield wipers are a little sprayed up.
Are they?
From the wind bending the shit out of them. Wow, it's still coming down like crazy. And I ain't even going anywhere near outside right now.
I will.
There's a
Yes, I will.
big old house across the street, all snowy looking. Yeah, look at that. I can get a shot of this. Look at the snow drifts are all drifted all the way up to the door. That's about 2 feet, 2.5 feet right there of a drift right in front of the door. And that gives you an indication right across the way there on how high the snow is. That snow right there, right in front of that tree, is probably 3 feet. It's gotta be at least 3 feet of snow right there.
I'm gonna see if I can close
And this is totally wow, this is totally unshoveled. No one's been around here yet to shovel out. There's a drift right there in front of the path.
It's like breaching itself up to it.
It's breaching. The snow is breaching. It's breaching our building. Oh my god, it's like alive. You can see it right there. It's really still coming down. I don't know how much, and that's not drifting either. It's still really snowing that much. So yeah, I'd like to see what the final totals are going to be on this one. Is it going to beat out the blizzard of '78? I don't know, because I remember that back in the day, and that was actually so bad that actually buried cars. So I don't see a lot of car burying like over the roofs of cars, but I see a lot of cars snowed in. So this is the blizzard of 2013. So there you go. All right, here is the snow from the back door of my building, and it is way bad. Look at this. There's like 30 inches of snow right there, 32 inches of snow or whatever. And again, the snow is coming in. It's breached the door. It blew it open and breached it. There's a little dead tree right there, and it's all drifted all the way up to it. And look at that snow drift right there. I think that was a vehicle at one point.
It is.
And there's some stuff across the street. There's the dumpster right there, all snowed in. And yeah, look at that. It's all the way up to the, look at that doorway right there. That's some stuff. Enjoy your day. Stay safe. I'm out.